up, boys and girls? Welcome to Going Guitar. This will be a very quick one. It's from Maisak. Luna Dile is the title of the song. And yes, I believe that means tell the moon. That is what it translates into Spanish, I guess. English, Spanish, yeah. I think you understand. Tell the moon, that's all I know about this song and how to play it. So that's what I'm going to teach you. Now let's go into it. We have the capo set on 3rd fret, absolute best scenario for us. And we have, I believe, 5 chords, 6 maybe. Yeah, we'll see. Let's go into it. Starting with A minor. A minor goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Next is G. That will be 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have D minor, open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. C, 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. E minor next. Open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, open E, and finally F, which is a bar chord. So place index finger on the 1st fret. You push down all strings there. You need to add 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. Now let's handle these chords with a string pattern. So if you grab A minor first, 1 string around goes like this. So first 1 down, a short pause, and then comes up, clap, down in 1 motion. So down, up, clap, down. Couple rounds. Okay, so this song has pretty much 1 chord progression throughout this song in the same way. We have some differences there. We're gonna go with the first version. It goes A minor 2, G2, D minor 2, C1, and E minor 1. Let's try that out. A minor, G, D minor, C, E minor, and again. Other version is to just switch out the D minor and replace that with F instead. So that gives us A minor 2, G2, F2, C1, and E minor 1. And I believe, I'm not sure, this D minor and an F goes every other time or so. You have to listen for it, and they're just minor changes because D minor and F, they're very close to each other. So I'm going to give you one version with F, and that goes like this. And that, my friends, is how you handle Luna Dile. Told you it will be a quick one. So I hope you enjoyed this one. And if you did, feel free to leave me a comment and like this tutorial. I'll be back for next upload. See you then, guys. Play tuned.